Stainless steel surface with slotted head. Durable construction with comfort grip handle. Dishwasher safe. Brand: Char-Broil. Cooking and grilling spatula is easy to use and clean up so you can treat your food right and grill like a pro. Top reviews from the United States. My always go-to tongs. I've had a pair of these for years. Then I got another set. I used them so much that I wore out the inside part of the handles and I kept using them. We looked and couldn't find another set, so even when the inside plastic broke off in the dishwasher, I kept using them. Then I found them on Amazon and with great glee I ordered 3 pairs. After all, they were reasonably priced and always in the dishwasher. They arrived and we washed them and into the drawer they went. One pair was always in the dishwasher and another in the sink. I finally got to the pair that hadn't been used yet and to my dismay, discovered that the grabber parts didn't line up. In fact, I couldn't pick up anything with them. It had been about 4 weeks and figured I would have to eat them. I saw that they were made by Char-Broil and distributed by Amazon. I called Char-Broil and they were unbelievably easy to work with. They apologized, thanked me for my business and arranged for a replacement set at no cost. Then, to make it even better, she said she was sending me 2 new sets. When I asked, I was told it was for my inconvenience. Could I be any happier? Nope. Great product. Great customer service.